Hello again everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I am doing a Sistaco design today using Flamingo and Periwinkle. Flamingo would have to be, I think, my favorite color. I say it every time. That is the Flamingo. It is so holographic and so sparkly in the light, and the Periwinkle is very similar to Flamingo in color, but it is also able to be used as a chrome. So I'll be doing a bit of both on the nail design today. Now I'm just going to start off by putting a base coat on all of my nails, and then I will cure it and come back. Please ignore the little marks underneath my stick-on nails. I always take them straight off after doing these videos, so you might see some white marks, and that's because I have like a peel-off base coat and some what do you call it, PVC glue under there, just to make it easy to get off. So I haven't applied them perfectly as if I was going to be wearing them all day, but I will be back to show you what I'm doing with the rest of it. Now, starting off with the Periwinkle, I'm going to put it on the ring finger, and I'm just going to dust it on with one coat just with the powder, and in the second coat I'm going to do the chrome look on that finger, and I'm going to do half and half on the other nails. So I'm going to do half of the Periwinkle and half of the Flamingo, and I'm going to do full Flamingo on the little finger. So I'll just fast forward through this and I'll come back and show you what the next stage is. It's pretty self-explanatory as you watch the video here. Next, I am putting a top coat on all of the nails except for the small finger. I'll be putting a base coat over that one because I'm going to give that a second coat of the Flamingo. So top coat to the rest of the nails, and then I'm going to come back and do the chrome with the Periwinkle. So now with the Periwinkle color and the padded brush, I am going to rub it on the Periwinkle side and give it that chrome effect. Now I'm only going to do one coat of this and then cover it with a top coat. What you could do to give it more sparkle is come back in and do a second coat of the Flamingo. So just put a base coat on half the nail and over the Flamingo and go over that, and then another top coat. But just to give you an idea of what the design is, and you know, to make sure that the video is not too long, I'm just giving you the basic outline of how to do it. It's up to you if you want to make it more sparkly or try something different or give it two coats. That's completely up to you, but you get the idea of what I'm doing here. Now I'm just applying a top coat to all of the nails and the design will be done. I'll go and clean them up and I'll come back to show you the finished design. So here is the finished design. It's definitely not showing it full justice as it does in natural light or sunlight even. The sparkle from the flamingo is incredible, and if you can get the chrome really mirrored, then you will really be able to see the contrast. I also think that maybe you could separate the line with maybe a bit of silver glitter polish to sort of carve it out a little more, which I think would look nice. But thank you guys for watching. Please leave me a comment if you liked it. See you next time.